Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us. So picture this. You get in your smart car, but it just won't start. And no, it's not broken. It's because a system, somewhere, decided you're not going anywhere today. It's not a bug, it's a feature. This sounds like sci-fi, right? Nope. It's a real method of control called herding, and it's happening now. It's a key part of something called surveillance capitalism. Basically, your life becomes free raw material for them. It all happens in 4 steps. First, your data is taken. Then it's used to predict your every move. These predictions are then sold to the highest bidder, who literally bet on your future behavior. And they're not even hiding it. The people building these systems say their goal is to control behavior. Think about it. Remotely shutting down your car or locking your smart fridge to enforce a diet? Yeah. Now, this isn't old-school totalitarian power. It's different. It's instrumentarian power, gently herding us toward their goals. This idea is actually inspired by the psychologist B.F. Skinner. He believed behavior could be totally engineered. Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.